Hey, what's up, guys? This is Adil here with Enthusiast Trader. Today, I will be discussing the trades that I took on September 28th, and also we'll be reviewing the trade ideas for September 29th. A lot of these ideas that I'll be talking today is from Money Algo. You could follow them on Twitter, uh, right here, Money Algo. Uh, the, So a lot of these ideas that I'm going to be talking to them about today is from Manialgo. Um, well, let's get right into it. So today the market gapped up big and ended the day positive with with resistance at 50 period moving average, daily moving average, which is a good sign. The market, however, still in a downtrend. Um, we kind of need to make a higher high and a lower low. So it needs to probably pull back here a little bit and then go higher uh, to confirm that we've resumed an uptrend. The Qs stronger than the spies, and the good thing is the Qs don't have much resistance all the way up to 280 bucks. So tomorrow we should see another green day. All right, let's get into the trades for today. The only trade as a day trade that I took was Holix, HOLX. I like the daily chart, how it's gapping above. At the time that I took it, it was above 65.75. So I like that. So I got in here above 65.80 with a stop loss. Below right here, 65.30. Uh, but unfortunately, it stopped me out and then went and hit target. So my target was 66.56. It went all the way to 66.61. So it would have hit target on this rally, but I got stopped out, unfortunately. The next one that I took was Semi CEMI. I took this on the break of 480. It went up in my favor, but then came back down. But I'm holding this. I like the daily chart here. Um, this could, this showed some resistance at the 50 DMA. So if this can, break higher, this can go to 544. So I only have a half position here. So if this breaks 480 again tomorrow or 490, I'll go in full. So that's Semi CEMI. Next, the two swing trades that I got in was Etsy. I got in here at 121.40. I like how this was breaking the downward trend. And Etsy, after it got added to the S&P 500, really didn't get a chance to rally. So now, since the market is pushing higher, I'm hoping that we get a nice move in our favor. Next, I got in was Target TGT. I liked how this was also going sideways, and then now finally broke above that above the previous high of 156. So I'm looking for, I got in at 156.24. Looking for this to make a move higher as well. In post market, didn't do much. All right, the trades that I'm currently in are CRUS. CRUS I got in here at 62.50. This is sitting nicely in my uh, in my favor. The trade that I've been holding for a month now is Apple at 114. It finally went higher, and post market also it rallied, which is a good sign. Amazon um, also post market rally, another good sign. Stopped here at the 50 DMA. Tomorrow, if we can gap up above this 31.89, I think we go higher on Amazon. So I'm holding Amazon, I'm holding Apple. Today I closed UPS. Um, Gapped up nicely in my favor. I was holding this from 163.50. So today I got out of UPS at 169.95, pretty much 170 is where I got out of UPS. I also closed another position today, which was, I actually closed two more. SE, I closed this at 158.78. So I got out when it was coming down. I got a 158.78. Although SE, I'm not gonna lie, looks higher. uh, put in a nice green candle and looks to make a move higher. I got out a DE also. I got a DE at my entry was $220, $220.20, and I got out at 221.80. So right where kind of close today. I got out at 221.80 when this broke here. Uh, when I had my stop right here at 222, but it took me out and then it went higher. But now it's right around that area. Um, Nonetheless, I have RH. RH actually looks really good if it could break this, right? So if it could break this wedge uh, right around 365, nothing post market, then it can make a move higher. Um, I am in LEN. LEN today put in a nice solid green candle. If this can break 80 bucks with volume, I am liking this to make a move higher. LEN. I closed MDB last week. I'm holding LOW Lowe's. Lowe's also put in a nice green candle today, like the market did. Um, nothing special about Lowe's, but I'm holding this from 170 bucks, so it's still ways away from my entry. But if this can break this prior pivot at 162.92, looking for this to make a move higher. Um, that's it for my open positions and the positions that I am interested in taking. And these were the ideas taken from Money Algo as I discussed. Right, so let's get right into it. First is Plug, PLUG. I like how this is forming a wedge. I'm a buyer of Plug at over 1350. SPWR, also a nice candle on increased volume, reversing on the ROC of 20. I like this to make a move higher. Although I'm not looking to buy SPWR tomorrow, but I am looking to buy PLEG. The one that I'm definitely looking to buy is AVGO. AVGO, although I could have gotten it at 365, but still, if it doesn't gap up tomorrow hard, this is a good entry for AVGO. And last is LB, Limited Brands. Tomorrow, I think I probably will get in at the open or 31.70, somewhere around there, if this doesn't gap down. Let's look at the futures. Futures are pointing green. Uh, so that's a good sign that we are heading higher. All right, guys. So that's it for today. If you one last thing before I go is my size. I like this company, MYSZ. Uh, Technically, also this is breaching this zero, is crossing ROC of 20 over zero. So if this can go above 115, I like this to make a move higher. I am holding a position in my size. I like what the company does. If you're interested, you can read about it. But technically speaking, today it put in a nice, on increased volume. Like it had good volume compared to the other candles, and it gapped up 16% today. So I really like this. It's a thin stock. The average volume was 200,000. Today put in 780,000. So I fancy this to move higher tomorrow. Anything post market? Nothing much going on post market, but it has been sold off pretty heavy uh, from when they IPO'd. So it's not. I'm not too hot to trot for this, but still it looks pretty good to make a move higher at these prices. All right, guys. That's it. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video and leave your comments. And if you'd like to come trade with us, please send me a comment or send me a message, and I will invite you to our Discord channel. All right, guys. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.